Makang. Now signing off, Lovie po opisyal nang nagpaalam sa FPJ Batang Quiapo matapos na mawala ang kanyang karakter sa episode ngayong gabi. Ilang minuto matapos ipalabas ang trending na eksena ng kamatayan ng karakter ni Lovie po na si Makang sa Batang Quiapo ay nagpost siya ng isang heartfelt farewell message para sa mga bumubuo sa nasabing teleserye, partikular kina Coco Martin, Sir Deo at sa ABS-CBN. Buong pahayag ni Lovie, "I am truly blessed to have been part of a project that represents my father's name. It was a first and it will always mean the world to me. My deepest appreciation to Sir Deo and ABS-CBN for this opportunity. You have given me a missing piece to my puzzle. For that, I will always be grateful. A big part of my 2023 was breathing life into a character I have grown to love. What a privilege it was to play Makang. She was a fighter and she taught me how it is to truly be free. It really was a tough decision for me to make, but I have decided to turn the page. To my Batang Quiapo team, the depth of your creativity and imagination knows no bounds and I know you will continue to soar high. I will always be cheering for all of you from afar. Mamimiss ko kayo ng malala. To my dearest tagapagtanggol, maybe in another life, Direk Coco, my dad's legacy is in great hands. Salamat at pinagpapatuloy mo, Coco. I will always be one of your biggest fans. Please try to get some sleep. At sa mga nagmamahal kay Makang, sobrang mahal ko din kayo. Maraming salamat po. Inyong tropa. Makang. Now signing off.